All right, I got the latest scoop on the best subscription box that you can get, and you could win one. Hey everyone, I'm Dave with Beast Made Reviews, of course a channel dedicated to reviewing quality at different price points. I want to make a quick video real quick. It's not going to be totally in-depth here, but I want to talk about this because it just came out this month, and this is the latest subscription tier from my cigar pack, and this one is the Reserva Especial. And everything in here really wowed me. So I want to talk a little bit about this today, and then I'll tell you more about how you can enter to win at the very end. And of course, if you like this type of content, feel free to subscribe down below and check out the links down below. You can go to my website down below. You can check out some really curated pieces that I think you might really like. Of course, this type of video is demonetized, so if you'd like to support me, definitely check the links below. Now, my cigar pack is a subscription box service for cigars, and they have different tiers. I think they even start at like $20 a month. Great deals, a lot of great tiers there. They wanted to come out with something even better than what they already had, and so they came up with this, the Reserva Especial. The difference in this is this has like really highly coveted cigars. The cigars in this are the highest quality with the best tobaccos, great aging, impeccably made, incredible flavor, and really this is the cigar pack that you want. Of all the subscription services that I've tried, this easily is the best. This gives you the cigars that you want. Now, this is not a budget offering. If you want budget offerings, they do have them on their website. You can go and check that out. But this is the premium subscription service. Now, the Reserva Especial comes with 5 different cigars, really high tier cigars from name brands that you already know and love. And these cigars are really the coveted cigars that you may have been already looking for. When they sent this to me, I was really anticipating what they would send. All of these are absolute bangers. So let's open it up. I'll show you what you get inside. And if you're looking to subscribe, these are the cigars that are in the box this month. And if you want to win one, this is the box that you will get. Now, first, let's just talk about this box. This box is incredible. I love the box. It has a black sleeve on the outside. The box itself looks like a cigar box. The packaging is absolutely top notch and is the best I've seen on a subscription box service. It's incredible. And I have a kind of test box here, so it didn't have the actual zip top bag that is going to be included in the Reserva Especial. All the cigars are going to be in a zip top bag on the inside. Mine just didn't have it for this box. And I also got this, which is the Tessellations magazine, which is beautiful. It's a really well-made magazine that's kind of like a coffee table style magazine. It goes through cigar production, how they're made, beautiful pictures, and it's just great overall. If you like magazines, you know, coffee table books, that kind of thing, this is fantastic. I don't know if this is included in every Reserva Especial. I'm not really sure, but the winner will get that for this month anyway. Also on the inside, it comes with a brochure that lists each cigar and all the tobaccos that are used, where they're from, the tasting notes, etc. All the details that you're looking for. It's great. Now, my intention isn't to go into a full review of all these cigars, so I'll briefly go over these cigars. The first one is the La Vereda by Crowned Heads. Now, this is one of their newest cigars. It's blended by Ernesto Carrillo, really one of the best blenders out there. He's fantastic. And this is one of their most premium quality cigars that Crowned Heads offers. It's one of their more pricey cigars, but I think it's really worth it here. This was a very good cigar, and Crowned Heads really never disappoints. They're always just spot on. Next is the Andalusian Bull by LFD, and this one is in the pyramid shape. Now, this is a legendary cigar in its own right. It's one of those coveted cigars that I always wanted to try, and rightfully so. It's one of those coveted cigars. I believe that this is limited in production. It was Cigar Aficionado's #1 cigar of 2016, and this makes the box worth it for this cigar alone. It's fantastic. They use really great tobaccos here. This is an absolutely killer cigar. Next is the Encore Black by EP Carrillo. Now, the original Encore was amazing, but this new interpretation is mind-blowing. I really wanted to try the Encore Black because I really like EP Carrillo. I really like a lot of his cigars. All of his blends are just absolutely great. And when I tried this, I was absolutely just blown away. It was so, so good. EP Carrillo has been called the GOAT of blenders, the greatest of all time, and now I believe it. A friend of mine who really likes EP Carrillo asked me how it was, and I just told him it was incredible. And he went out out and got one. Next is the Suma by Ferio Tego. Now, Ferio Tego has picked off where the former Nat Sherman brand left off, but their newer cigars are no slouch at all. This Suma is easily one of the best Ferio Tegos that I have tried, and it may actually be one of my favorites of the bunch if I had to pick one from this box. It is such a great, well-balanced cigar, and I think it's one of the best cigars that I tried this year. It's so good. I really love what Ferio Tego is doing, but this Suma was just breathtaking. It is so good. Next is the Dom Pepin Garcia Series JJ in the Salomon Vitola. Now, my father, who makes the Dom Pepin Garcia cigars, makes some of the best Nicaraguan-made cigars on the planet, and that's an absolute truth. And this is one of their more popular cigars. It is so satisfying, and it's another one of those cigars with a lot of wow factor. I was so thrilled to see this in the box. It is absolutely fantastic. So that is a brief rundown of everything that you get in the box. This is a great box subscription that I really hope a lot of people really go out and try. And I may be doing some more kind of reviews of this series in the future, so stay tuned for that. I may go into more detail about the cigars and what I think about them in the future, but every single one of these has been absolutely great. Some of these I think are worth the box itself. It is so good to have all these here. Each one of these was something I wanted to try, so it's almost like they just read my mind. So I can highly recommend the Reserva Especial. It's fantastic. Definitely go and check it out on my website down below. Now, if you would like to win this box, all you have to do is go to my website, and at the top you'll see a link. That link will take you to My Cigar Pack's website, where you can go and enter the website there. I'll pick a random winner in about a week or so, and then I will ship it off to you. And of course, good luck to everyone who enters. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you next time. I'm Dave with Beastmade Reviews. Bye.